Clearly a parrot, just looking at that beak and the shape of the bird. And size-wise, they're about the same size as that white-crowned shrike we're just looking at. Same size as a dove, about a little bit smaller.
I just want to throw my sentence that it's a rare species into the area. It's not rare. We tend to see them. Maybe it's because of winter. We see them in our daily drive. If we don't see them, we might hear them from distance. Brown-headed parrot. It's the only parrot that we have into the area inside we sent to Djuma. That might be occurring from other nature reserves and other areas. It's only the brown-headed parrot. Very lovely one. Beautiful look.
There's maybe something in the grass. They don't seem too excited. They're not making alarm calls or anything. They are looking beautiful little birds. The name is the right. About 4 of them sitting close to us here. One has stayed behind, the others flew off. Quite striking birds as well, black and white. Beautiful white markings in the wings when they fly. And of course the long, characteristic long tail. Yep.